Welcome back to One Guy, One Kayak. Back at it again here on the river. I got nothing much planned for today. I'm just gonna be coasting along a coulee. It's called Coulee Crow, found it on Google Maps. I've never been back here before. This is completely uncharted to me. So I'm gonna try to make the best of it. And I'm going right into the swamps. I'm going into the thick of it right here. And so I really don't think there are many kayakers who do come out here and explore this place, considering that it's very thick, it's very wild, and also, you know, we're on private hunting grounds. Yeah, this place is collectively owned by a few local businesses and also a local hunting club. So there's like a bunch of signs. There's a bunch of signs that are scattered along the riverside saying that this is like, hey, keep out, trespassing, no hunting, you will be prosecuted. But you know what? I really don't care. Like I said in the first video, Vietnam vibes. That's exactly what I'm getting at with what this place is. 10 out of 10, Vietnam vibes. Oh, the Vietnamese, they're in the fucking trees. An extremely swampy area at that. And you know, I got some other swampy videos in mind, specifically the Atchafalaya Basin. I got a few videos planned, but I gotta strategize. I gotta map it all out. It's hard right now, kind of planning all these things, because you know, I got my 9 to 5 that I gotta worry about. The economy's not doing so well, kind of worried about that. And of course, you know, I got a 300-pound girlfriend at home that I gotta tend to. She's going through a lot. I keep telling her to get on Wegovy. It's not working though. So yeah, we're gonna go down the coulee and hopefully we don't get caught. Got a plane up above. This is just a little lanyap side trek right here. I actually found a pretty cool shack right there. I'm gonna go take a look at it and see what it's about. Again, private property right here. Pretty cool. See a lot of wasp and shit. Nothing appears to be in it. Oh well, still pretty cool. All right, let's move on. It's lunchtime. Oof. Good old flattened sandwich. Yes, sir. A warm sandwich. It's not good. Not good at all. Oh, thank you.
All right, let me show you guys right there. Let me see. Let me zoom in on. We're gonna do it one more time.
Yeah, that sandwich really wasn't that good. Yeah, let's go see what's up here. It's just an open marshland. That's what we got. It's all open. It's actually pretty nice. Having myself a little picnic right beyond yonder. A little pond right here. Not much else. Well, I finally found the coulee. It took me a while. Yikes. Well, looks like I finally made it. And from what I'm seeing so far, this is a very sick, nasty place. Problem is though, is that I'm on private property. It says no trespassing. But so far, I've seen some really cool wildlife. I just saw I think it's called a barred owl just take off from right over there. No one comes down here. So I'm probably one of the only ones, but yeah, I'm just gonna keep going along here. It's very narrow, but I don't think anyone should be back here after all the rain we had last night. But yeah, there's like no current too. So this is like really easy so far. Whew, this is actually pretty neat. Yeah, I see another no trespassing sign all the way down there. I'm gonna go up to it. Well, I'm here, private property though. I mean, I think I just heard a shot. This is hunting grounds. I don't want to stay out here way too long because I really don't want to get caught. There's an opening, a clearing straight ahead. And so, but this place is really cool. This place is teeming with wildlife everywhere. So yeah, I'm gonna keep on going. I'm gonna try to stay quiet. And yeah, let's get out of here. I'm disobeying my own rules right now. I'm out here and about. This is actually pretty cool. It's all completely open. I'm completely exposed right now. But I just want to try to keep a low profile as much as I can. No doubt, there's gotta be gators in this lake right here. I think this is enough. I just want to see what this place is like. I see a red truck. I do see a red truck out in the distance. I don't want to spend too much time here. I gotta get going. Shit, I was not expecting to see gators here. There's a big one. Now, yeah, that gator that I just saw, I'm not used to gators around here. In the Vermilion area, I don't know how wild they could be. I've been seeing a bunch of trails for gators that are cutting through the weeds. And this is a really narrow channel. I don't have much room for error right here, you know what I'm saying? So I just booked it. I booked it. Got the hell right out of there. Fuck that shit. See that flat right there? That's probably where a gator was laying down. Well then, that was something. Well, so I think this might be it. We saw a lot of animals, saw a lot of birds, got a cool shots of birds, I think. This is a new area, never been to it. Saw an alligator clearly in my path, freaked me out for a sec. But you know, they're skittish like cats. They just go right under the water. No one's stalking me right now, yet. There are some estuaries that I could have maybe took a look at, but it was just too much debris. They had a lot of pollution, weeds. It was just a little bit too much. So yeah, I think that's gonna do it for today. I may actually come back out here again, maybe with a friend or something. So yeah, just this is One Guy, One Kayak, and yeah, just make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.